restart. And there's a hair in my mouth. There's a hair in my mouth.
I have the hiccups right now.
Hiccup.
No. I have the hiccups and the burps.
The burp ups. Burp ups.
So yeah.
And my feet cold.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
I didn't need to get closer. I could have just.
So pull me closer. Really pull me close.
What are you singing?
Baby.
Bye bye.
Why don't you keep me in the middle?
Middle of what?
Don't.
Don't.
Ask. Finish the sentence.
Come on, you can do it.
Don't ask me what. Don't ask. Don't ask it.
What if I told you that I'm not recording any of this?
No.
I'm just kidding.
Don't ask me why. I don't know.
What were you doing there? Are you kidnapping my toe?
Yes. He's.
Help me!
I will kidnap your foot. Oh.
Ow! That was my foot.
We're good.
You just got up and the second one bent down.
I
I hate you. I love you. I hate it.
hate it. This thing, the hiccups won't even let me speak.
Hey, what's your name? Elena.
I just had a brain fart. I hate this.
I'm gonna
This isn't even funny than it. This is even funnier than the other. This. You're laughing so loudly.
I know, it's
If anybody other than us sees this,
so funny. What?
I don't know anymore. Okay.
Ah.
I got this sentence to that.
I can't see myself.
Why did this always have to happen where, like, this makes for great content.
Yeah. What? It's ice.
What?
Well. I've never seen anyone have funnier hiccups in my life.
I pick up so many times. Why?
I call this the hiccups.
Yes, if we ever post it. I feel like we should post this.
Oh man, my mouth.
It's either I'm hiccuping or burping.